If you want to install apps from unknown sources on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to Privacy Protection. Once you open Privacy Protection, then in here we need to proceed to Special Permissions, and then we should be able to find Install Unknown Apps. So here you will find the list of apps that can potentially install other apps. Let's say you have downloaded an app using the Chrome browser. In that case, you want to go to the Chrome browser in here, and you want to allow the app to install unknown apps in here. You want to tap on the switcher to turn it on. You also need to select that you are aware of possible risks, and you assume all possible consequences. And we're gonna tap on OK after 10 seconds. And now you should be able to go back to the Chrome browser in this example to install the app. Leave a like and subscribe.